That his bus. He's in here. Is that him? Look, he's right there. Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Jersey right now at the Marriott because Omarion is having a meditation type of session thing going on, so I'm here for that. And it's also his birthday, so yeah, I'm spending his birthday with him. He's literally on the bus right now. I saw him walking by. I saw him, but I didn't want to try to make it too obvious recording and stuff, so but yeah, he's definitely on this bus waiting to get out. The thing started at 6. It's now 10 minutes to 6. The event is like a mind, body, and beyond event. I'm excited because I love Omarion. So I'll see y'all inside. Hopefully I can get to vlog. I don't know. We're also gonna get a copy of his book and pictures. So yeah, I'm excited. See y'all inside though. So we're in here now. We gotta write an affirmation. Where my paper? Oh, gotta write an intention and affirmation. We gotta write an affirmation and intention on the paper before it comes in. I'm recording, I'm sorry. This is what we're eating. It's birthday dinner, I guess. I don't really like macaroni and cheese, honestly. I only eat it on Thanksgiving. My brother make it. I'm the ass. I'm not a macaroni and cheese fan. I feel real vegetarian right now.
I will be present.
That's so fine.
Peter Great.
That's me. That's me. Oh yeah. He just remembered.
Truth. I am peace, love, and purity. Okay.
It was my twin.
Mark on What you go through in life does not define you.
That's
your heart does.
Ooh.
Lenora. Okay.
Okay.
See Lenora. See Lenora. One present in heaven. Oh, in every moment to, maintain your own personal power. So I want to impart that to you all. At the end of the day, choose joy. Thank you all for being here. So we don't have pictures now.
Yeah, so this is how we're gonna do it. I need to turn your phones on.
I think you should take one together too. After everybody gets their
Okay, we do that. These mats are yours. You got gifts in those bags from others. Everything that's around you right now, your books, those are all yours, okay? Those up to take it out. So,
and also, since you have your phone out, if you want to get the meditation and breath work that Omari did today, you can download that
Oh, yes,
on
I
his
love that.
website. So just click the link in the bio on his Instagram page, and you can download that audio. So you can use that.
Me too.
And then for the sound bowls, I haven't posted any videos yet, but you can go on YouTube and just type in sound bowl or sound bath, and you can listen to these anytime. So anytime you're feeling stressed, if you got some anxiety, you're feeling depressed, you can bring your vibration up just by listening to it.
That's so dope.
Got it. Okay.
So I got yours on too.
No, I'm Petty Gates, but she's my guest.
Oh, okay.
So you can just.
You want me to put your last name on? Let me check.
Oh, gotcha.
Thank you.
Hey, that's what's up.
Got my pictures, my book signed.
Right, that's true.
We get to get the mat and we got a gift. On his birthday, he's giving us gifts. How he giving us gifts on his birthday?
Okay, so
Y'all not this.
Let me get that.
she's gonna be mad.
Nobody's trying to get their flicks in. I'm about to, he got up, I was gonna say his lap. Right. This is so gorgeous. But I just got done with the Omarion event. It was very, very interesting. Nothing I ever did before. But I will definitely do it again. So I just got back home. Well, I was supposed to get some food, but I just got back home. Omarion gave us a gift. We got a gift. We got a gift from him. So I'm gonna open it and see what it is. I think I know what it is. And this is what came in the bag. This bag, I want to say Hotel. Company. So this is what came. So this is the gift that he gave us. The book as a part of the gift. It was Unbothered, The Power of Choosing Joy. And then he signed it first. I'm gonna make sure I read this book though. And we have to do affirmation. I couldn't really record like the actual meditation and everything going on because they told us not to. I got a few clips in, but I couldn't record everything. We had a sound bath and everything, and the vibration of the phone would interrupt the whole meditation. So, but it was very, very like I've never done nothing like that before, and I'm glad I went. And it was very like, like actually felt something when I like read up on it, and then I saw like on his page what he actually does. I was like, okay, seems interesting, and it was, and I will definitely do it again. It's very therapeutic in a way, like it makes you focus and keeps your mind at ease. And the sound bath, and I forgot what she was doing. And he has a whole affirmation thing that we had to listen to and lay down on our backs and basically listen to what he was saying and focus and stay in that mindset. So this is a gift. I just opened the box. It said, I think I know what it is. When it said Apple, I thought it was like a watch or something. I'm like, yes, but it's not a watch. So I'm going to see what it is. I literally just opened the box with this. Just see what it is. I had a feeling it was headphones. I had a feeling it was headphones. So these are Solo Pro headphones, Beats headphones. Yeah, so this is what he gave us. Like, I got some Beats. I really got some Beats though. Yes. Got some Beats headphones from Omarion on his birthday. Like, what? How? Like, sir, how you gifting us? How you gifting us on your birthday? Like, so kind, so humble. But yeah, that's about it with the book. And we kept our mats. We kept our mats that we was laying on. That experience was real different. When she was doing a sound bath and I forgot the other thing. I forgot the name of the other thing. When she was doing a sound bath and that, I felt the vibration in my stomach. And I was like, what the hell? Like, what is this? But yeah, I felt it. So she was asking us, she was telling us that she did a lot of different chakras for your stomach, your chest area, the heart area, I should say. I think she said in between your eyes is the third eye, and on the top of your head is, I forgot the name. I forgot what she said. But yeah. And of course, let's see Omarion. Like, what? What? Got to see Omarion. It was worth it. Like, it was worth it. It wasn't free, but it was worth it. I would say it was worth it. The fact that we had to interact with him in that way after, it was worth it. So yeah, it was cool. It's a cool Saturday. It was a cool and productive Saturday for me, I think. Yeah, I would say that. Happy birthday, Omarion.
Thank you, love. Appreciate it.
So the main fact that he did something like this on his birthday, and I'm like, wow, like you really did something like this on your birthday, like, and then you've given out gifts on your birthday. Like, what? This girl, as y'all saw in the video, this girl did give him $20. For a little bit, I forgot that it was his birthday. I was like, damn, I should have brought him something. I should have brought him some balloons, something. Like, I don't think he was like coming here to expect gifts from us. So, but yeah, he's def 38. Like, he don't look 38. Like, what? You're 38. Where are you 38, sir? Where? Because you fine as hell. Too fine. He's too fine. Ooh. But I'm glad to see another person that I grew up with. So I'm glad that I got to meet him in person. And yeah, who would have thought? But I'm glad getting to meet all my faves in person, or just seeing them perform or whatever. I'm just glad I get to do that. I'm glad I'm blessed enough to do that. I had a good Saturday. I had to go to Jersey because the freaking emails, at first it said New York experience, right? But then the email came and said Edgewater, New Jersey, and I'm like, that better not be far. But when I Googled it, I'm like, oh, okay, it's an hour from here. Like, it's not that bad. But I got a ride, so I was good. But yeah, that's it for this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying to put up vlogs. I'm trying to post videos every week or every 2 weeks. So yeah, look out for those. And I see the views and I appreciate all the views, but please hit the subscribe button also, because that counts. Thank you guys for supporting. See you in the next video. Y'all, tell me I didn't see Omarion staring me down. Y'all can't tell me that man wasn't staring me down. Okay? Omarion, next time, just say the word, baby. Just say the word. I would have just took y'all on a little birthday date. It would have been good. Just say the word. Like, that man would stare me down. I don't care what nobody say. And if you say you don't see that, you a hater. Hater. Hater.